I'm at the Citroen stand now and we're going to have a look at some of the cars here at the motor show.
4 years to renew the car, and we are today very happy to present you new Citroen C4 and new Citroen C4X. Let's go for the reveal. So these are the new C4 and C4X. A completely renewed design.
And this is the front of the new C4X facelift, this being the hybrid model. You can see they've changed the face quite significantly in this facelift, bringing the headlights up rather than them being lower down and looking more like the original Citroen C4s that we used to see. So I really like this look for Citroen. It's a bit more conventional but definitely an elegant look and a nice facelift. This sort of section here is the same on all cars now as well, similar with this linear grille, so it looks really modern. And I'll show you the front of the normal C4 now. This is the X, so it's like the coupe SUV version. And this is the front of the EC4, so the more hatchback one, definitely the better seller in the UK, but we do get the C4X. As you can see, like I say, these lights are slightly different, just looking a little bit more like what we've seen before from previous C4s and C5s in the past. Then this little daytime running light here, they've kind of switched them over. It looks really good to have the headlights in a more traditional place. This blue is really nice as well, and then obviously you've got new wheels, slightly different interiors and tweaks that you'd normally see on a facelift. Being a facelift, the boots remain the exact same as they do before, so the C4X gets this less practical saloon-like boot, which isn't really the most practical, especially in the UK, we don't pick it. The C4, the normal one, is what I like the most. You get that coupe SUV look anyway, and I'll show you the hatchback on that just now. At the normal C4, the lights are a little bit different. You've got a bit more of an aggressive, less curvy look, so it looks a bit more modern, which looks great. The back was always a nice design on the car, but they had these lights going up this way, so it's a bit more simple now. I'll show you the boot as well. You do have Citroen spelled out across the back there as well. And then a more practical hatch-like boot with your false floor, etc. So this gives you a good size for most families, which is great. As I say, unchanged from before is the interior space. Inside the C4X, and this is like a lounge, as they say. So this is actually what we were in the taxi from the airport to our hotel, and very comfortable in the back. It was really lovely. This one doesn't have the sunroof though, but nice. You've got the new Citroen logos that features across the range now, so going to that retro look but obviously more modern, so quite a nice mixture. You've got some different materials on the dash, a little bit different textures, just some tweaks here and there, but mostly all the same. It's generally a facelift. You can see you've got a wireless charging pad here now as well. These classic Stellantis gear shifters here as well with the electronic handbrake, and then you've got your cup holders down here as well. So this is all very similar from what we've seen before, but it's slightly different, which is nice. Your start buttons here still as well, and these stalks remain the same, but you do have some paddles here for your regen on this hybrid model. As I say, it will be available with petrol, hybrid and the full electric with the EC4 and EC4X.